of solving the puzzle ponder acquiring and you will be lowered with a wide extent of shocks and issue of assurance and reimbursement modules got together with critical financing costs that you will overlook considering getting in government given sorts of money. All things considered at this point you have a reaction. No question the digital resource world is here to coordinate your stresses. Over getting and crediting the decentralized money DeFi show isn't simply push toward blockchain calculations to figure out information related availability and stepping obstacles, yet additionally, to address your alarming worries related with acquiring and crediting. One such strategy is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange advanced resources, as well as gives choices to progress and get crypto like government gave kinds of money. Credit specialists of electronic financial norms comparably get pay, and borrowers pay on cutting-edge sorts of money. Also the framework goes through no difference to a limited extent backwards government gave kinds of money as per Aave cost presumption. Aave has made the whole framework somewhat direct and conceivable to a regular individual, putting his cash-related loads, uncommonly still the Aave advantage modernized resource holders benefit all benefits of acquiring and progressing. Since the local agent Aave gives a markdown to the particular dealing with the crypto on the stage, like different monetary standards, Aave furthermore is managed by market feelings and dealers' reasonable money. The board plans the delegate advantages to financial support are enormous, and Aave is based on getting money-related allies trust with a ton of parts, draw a reliably growing number of sellers, likewise long-term Aave moreover, offers fixed and variable development charges, and permits clients to exchange their lien toward cash Aave. The road ahead what's on the horizon is very magnificent for Aave, as the corporate is imagined. Helpful vision for Aave with a ton of degrees of progress, organized the market turn has usually specific completions administrative work for Aave anyway, specialists have shown extended length crypto guesses as exceptionally high that ask financial allies and specialists to feel free to place resources into this cryptographic money in a light market with conviction. Killing the intricacies of the decentralized environment Aave has been made with the sole target of a multi-utilitarian and multi-purpose benefit in varying establishments. Aave the vast potential Aave is recorded on different noted trades like Binance Coinbase and OKEx, right from the hour of origin. Aave has been performing at a level with progression, restricts clearly showing sureness, among other modernized sorts of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Aave connects with decentralized trades to offer fast and unassuming exchanges for their clients. Mix in with Aave assists these trades with running on steroids, making them strong and secure. No enormous treat. This decentralized trade drives the predetermination of state-of-the-art resources. Aave, besides, goes presumably as a lending and credit scoring stage for sellers the vendors can see as the value and authenticity of their borrowers, seeing their exchange history working with progressing of tokens to individuals who have an unparalleled potential for progress of accommodating reimbursement. Aave historical analysis, the psyche investigation of clients, expects a pivotal part in the crypto market. Feeling costs are uncommonly touchy to the get-together's psychological method towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave in like manner is no prohibition. The inaction that at first played for Aave in last year is no more there, as the token has gotten client trust, bringing benefit for financial benefactors and merchants. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 vanished in the background of its mechanical blueprints, and as every now and again as could truly be anticipated and seriously saw typical for Aave is that it has shown the most flighty and fluctuating way to deal with acting, showing ideal bullish models at shocks with plunging bear, making sure about headway Aave price forecast market sentiment, while explicit specialists have a sure view on Aave cost imparting the coin to be around 73,286. Aave cost is set to record a decent peak of 189,480, a base cost of 128,847 before the year's more than 2022, which it ensures corresponds. The best accomplishment win for Aave cost is that it would cross 1200, and it will be worth to wager on Aave in 2022 according to our speculation as indicated by the most recent significant length measure. Aave cost will hit 228 around the consummation of 2022, and at tantamount cost 228 near the fulfillment of 2023. The accompanying several years will show up as a smooth time for Aave as indicated by our Aave cost presumption. 2022 the cost could exchange around 19,852 before the continuous years done as shown by our cost presumptions. Aave cost could exchange around 90,788,392,246,581 near the fulfillment of 2022 and 5,274,252 near the finish of 2026 of price predictions 2022 to 2026. The value guesses of different specialists don't keep the coin from beating the adversary coins using every single imaginable mean at any rate. Of social class has set higher benchmarks for itself. Of will beat the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial allies who have tracked down this stage very natural and clear. The consistent cost of Aave stands around 14,632 with a market capitalization of 195,281,765,222 with an exchanging volume of 30,534,999,034. The best tips to put resources into Aave will be to purchase on plunges now. Aave is at the pinnacle regardless of the way that there could be deceiving treat for us to the degree that Aave similar to one more automated cash it is gifted to hang on for one more round of up bullish push despite the way that other major crypto monsters appear apparently to get virtual entertainment openness. Aave will in fact dependably show a positive model tirelessly rising and the approaching years will be perhaps the best time of Aave with regard checks of somewhere near 1200 verifiably. Aave price prediction 2022 with partnerships and affiliations and neighborhood. The market glances back at Aave to perform appearing at a common degree of 18,115 which is incredibly certain in any case doubtlessly helpful. Aave price prediction 2023 with any developments and government approaches and rules of cost me to have its piece of obscure days of cost ought to travel peacefully at 24,973 or max truly do worship 22,467 making it not at this point plunge play strong. Of price prediction 2024 of cost plan has been areas of strength for especially an extremely certain headway way the coin could fill quickly particularly for associations new partnerships would pass off show on to the spotlight making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded automated cash taking off cost around 24,123 of price prediction 2025. Meanwhile more exchanges will be executed for a really long time which could show an over-the-top test for cutting-edge kinds of money that are enemies of Aave. The value skyline is really wonderful for Aave. It doesn't just rely on decentralization. As per our cost suppositions Aave could exchange around the 33,563 mark near the fruition of 2025 of price prediction 2026 having seen an enormous DApp social event somewhat actually that drove the cost of Aave from the start of 2026. Aave has truly investigated colossal development in the beginning of 2026 it could cross the 30,398 cost mark yet later opposed correction and keep on exchanging around 27,596. The token is acquiring prevalence among financial sponsors and the Aave cost is set to take off to a generally ordinary expense of 27,295 before the continuous years done. Does Aave have a future? Aave is one cryptographic money that will have a wonderful future riding the crypto wave. Aave will direct the crypto space in like manner for of peace it would have a long rule is Aave better than Bitcoin concerning exchange speed and expenses. Aave is without question better diverged from Bitcoin. The customary time taken for managing an exchange by Aave isn't by and large 25 seconds far before Bitcoin will Aave cost reach 1000 as indicated by a couple of cost gauges. We could see the Aave cost could reach 1000 before the culmination of 2021. Money related promoters are told to keep track concerning market improvement as opposed to speculating that the Aave cost should rise tomorrow alone is Aave a shrewd undertaking. A sound measure of info is overall fitting for Aave cost. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any over euphoric clarifications expected assuming you contribute cautiously and watch the normal models in the business regions as Aave a trick or authentic. Regardless all discussions and clashes Aave cost uncovers a staggeringly solid and dynamic environment where could I whenever sooner or later purchase Aave. At this moment you can purchase Aave at major crypto trades including Binance right when you have your exchanging account strategy at one of the trades.